Welcome to the Global Mapper Pro training program. This program is designed to help you become proficient in using the software for analyzing, processing, and managing geospatial data. During this program, you will learn how to use Global Mapper Pro to create customized maps, import and manipulate different types of geospatial data, perform geospatial analysis, and export data in various formats. You will also learn how to use the software's advanced features, such as 3D modeling and geocoding, and apply Global Mapper Pro to specific applications, such as drone mapping and pipeline management. The program is structured to cover all aspects of Global Mapper Pro and is suitable for users with different levels of experience. Whether you are new to the software or have some experience using it, this program will provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to perform effective geospatial analysis. We hope that this training program will be a valuable learning experience for you and that you will be able to apply the skills and knowledge gained to your professional work. Global Mapper Pro is a comprehensive GIS software used for analyzing, processing, and managing geospatial data. The software is known for its user-friendly interface, powerful tools, and flexibility, making it an essential tool for professionals working in various fields, such as environmental science, geology, surveying, and urban planning. To become proficient in using Global Mapper Pro, it is recommended to undergo a structured training program that covers all aspects of the software. A typical training program should include the following. 1. Introduction to Global Mapper Pro. This should cover the basics of the software, including its interface, tools, and features. 2. Creating maps. This should focus on using geospatial data to create customized maps, including setting up layers, styles, and labels. 3. Importing data. This should cover the different types of data sources that can be imported into Global Mapper Pro, such as raster and vector files, GPS data, LiDAR data, and others. 4. Data manipulation. This should include using tools to manipulate and modify geospatial data, such as cropping, merging, transforming, and editing. 5. Geospatial analysis. This should cover using the software's analysis tools to perform calculations, measurements, and terrain analysis. 6. Exporting data. This should include exporting geospatial data in various formats, such as raster and vector files, terrain data files, and others. 7. Advanced features. This should cover using the software's advanced features, such as 3D modeling, flow analysis, geocoding, and others. 8. Special applications. This should focus on using Global Mapper Pro for specific applications, such as drone mapping, pipeline management, natural resource management, and others. Overall, a well-structured training program in Global Mapper Pro should cover all aspects of the software and equip users with the knowledge and skills needed to perform effective geospatial analysis.